Hi everyone. So let's talk about a headline that's been making a lot of waves. 3 U.S. citizen children, one with cancer, deported to Honduras, lawyers say. That sounds pretty shocking, right? But let me break it down for you. First off, headlines like this that pop up right now, and while there's a little bit of truth in them, they can be pretty misleading. Here's what's really going on. For many years now, when a foreign national faces deportation and they have minor children, the U.S. government usually gives them a couple of options. One, they can either take their kids with them when they are ordered deported, or two, they can make plans for the kids to stay back in the United States when they're U.S. citizens. So when you read headlines like this about U.S. citizens being deported, that's not exactly what's happening. The truth is that often these foreign national parents are forced to make a decision. No U.S. citizen child is being kicked out of the country against their will. Now, what's really alarming are the conditions surrounding these deportations, especially under the Trump administration. There are several reports that some of these foreign national parents only received a couple of minutes to talk to their spouses to make the decision on what's going to be done with their children. That's not enough time for something so serious. Plus, many of these foreign national parents didn't have access to lawyers before they were deported. That's a huge deal because everyone deserves legal support when facing something so serious. And it gets even worse. There are a lot of stories about parents being forced to leave without being able to take their cancer-stricken children's medications. Imagine that. It's like giving someone the death sentence when they really need medical help, especially if they have stage 4 cancer. Think about it this way. If you are a U.S. citizen parent and you get arrested, you expect to have a lawyer help you and explain your situation, right? It's a given. But these foreign national parents aren't afforded the same opportunities. They don't get that same treatment. Now, if you are a foreign national and you're not a green card holder or a U.S. citizen, here's a very important lesson for you. First, if you don't have an immigration attorney, the U.S. government may not let you find one when you need it, so get one now. It's crucial to have legal support. If you have young children, you really need to set up a contingency plan in case you are ordered removed or have to leave the U.S. Here's a couple things you can do. If you own a home and live in Texas, think about drafting a transfer on death deed. If something happens to you, this document allows your home to pass on to someone else very easily. If you have a lot of property like a car, drafting a will is a smart move to ensure that your belongings go to the right people. And finally, if you have money in the bank or other financial institutions, having an attorney draft a power of attorney document for you is also important. This gives someone else the ability to access your accounts if you can't manage them by yourself. Keep in mind, at our office, we handle various legal matters for all foreign nationals. This includes drafting transfer on debt deeds, wills, and powers of attorney. You don't want to file these documents by yourself or have someone without much experience do it. Or else, when you finally need to use these documents, they may be found invalid or not properly executed. I'll leave you with this final question. If you are a foreign national parent and you have a cancer-stricken child, would you rather be deported alone, or would you rather take your child with you, knowing full well that they will not have access to cancer-fighting medication? After you think about this question, I encourage you to talk to your local congressperson about this, since they are the ones making these types of laws.